Hey guys, so mm, I'm back, that's for sure. And it's so sad because I haven't been uploading in a while. While was it like 4 months or something? I'm so sorry. But I do have an explanation. Guess what? My exams just got over, and I am back with some tea and some heart loving love. Let's get on with the video, guys. I'm leaving.
I've been having dreams, splashing in the summer street, tripping, I fall in. I wanted it to happen.
Everyone, welcome back to Skyscraper. This time, I hung out with one of my closest Korean friends, who I met in my trip to Orlando for the acting showcase called Premiere. We spent our time at one of the finest Korean culture museums. Everyone knows Korea as a location where nothing is impossible. It's beauty at its finest, and people with warm kindness. However, what makes Korea the country it is today? And who are the people who fought for Korea's freedom? Also, why is it the upcoming nation in today's generation? Find out more in this episode. So, Korea is a place where traditions coexist with technology. They promote both of them equally, which makes Korea a balanced country. Getting into the National Museum of Korean History was awe-striking. The information was loaded and meticulously arranged. Luckily, my friend JeeWon explained the entire Korean history in a perfect order. Making sure not to leave out any bits of information, I couldn't leave her hanging. Therefore, we culture exchanged the entire time, and I told her bits of my hometown. Sometimes, all it takes is a simple question to spark up an exciting conversation. Korea is a country where the culture is easy to fall in love with. Also, carrying all the challenges they had faced, they were a small country, but their willpower is what gained them freedom.
Hi, I'm in the Korean Modern Contemporary Museum with my special Korean friend. Hello! Hi! Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is JeeWon. I am a Korean. And this is like our most famous and some kind of biggest Korean history museum, and I really love this place, and I'm really glad that I'm here with my friend. So what do you think about this place so far?
It's beautiful. I think there's a lot to learn, especially historic preservatives that we've seen and discussed about our places too. So yeah, I got a lot of information from her, exchange cultural identities. So yeah, please come to Dubai.
Oh, I will. I would love to go there.
Okay, see you later.
For all of my Skystars who want to go and travel to this museum and check it out, please. It's very close to Gyeongbokgung Palace and Station. It's even more closer to the US Embassy, so please don't forget to check it out. It's amazing, museums every week, and yeah, you'll have a lot of fun, I assure you.
A few moments later.
So this is the presidential elections right in front of the man who created the Korean language.
This is one of the Korean kings that invented Hangul, the Korean language, and it's right close to the museum. Check it out.
And dang, they're so good. Like, it looks real. Wow.
So we have a lot of.
And there's embassy news right there. I guess broadcasting, but these all are students. And this is dang good because you're getting students involved. What?
So Korea had a really long time to find democracy, and students had like a big role in it. So like the people in the middle. So this is actually what happened for real in Korea long ago. So it held on April 19th. So the Korean government, the president actually fixed the law so that he can be president for a very long time, and that's not democracy. So students fought for their rights, for democracy. And they had rallies, and some even got hurt and died like that, and got hurt like that. But they did not stop. So this is like a timeline. So like we were free.
So how is it going to be like? Starting from the freedom of Korea. I think the years go by.
And then like years go by, and now they're talking about teenagers being able to vote.
That's good.
Yeah. And this is like.
Can we go closer?
This is like students. So she's a student, but she's putting her vote inside this voting box for 2020, for the year 2022, the 20th president of Korea. When we're picking for that president, maybe students can also vote for it.
It's so interesting.
Yeah, it's been a hot issue for a really long time among teenagers, and they're like holding a campaign about it.
That's nice. And these are students.
They are students. They're all students. And like those stuff, there are uniforms, school uniforms.
Wow. I love the way the school gets involved with the...
Some schools, they do not like this.
So what happens to these students now?
I don't know. I mean, maybe they have like this own kind of club at school.
So the organization that was organizing this whole act was InBloom, and they're really, really amazing people, really kind and nice. And yeah, they're just making students in the present generation more aware of what's happening in the country. And I feel like that's a very good message. So please do support them. The link will be down in the description box below. Check it out. It's their Facebook, and they're really inspiring, and they moved me. So yeah, check it out. Also, as a teenager, I feel like this is really important to get involved with your country. So yeah, they're doing an awesome job. Great job, InBloom.
2 hours later.
너와 함께 있는 여긴 바다보다